So we are starting now. They're starting now. So Poland, very good start, lane 5. Then also Belgium, lane 7, leading at the moment. Poland and Belgium. Alex Borucki, Pavel Zlobinski. And the Belgium, Stanislav Bestiens, Louis Vangel. Now is coming on now to Germany, lane 2. Nikolajczyk, Rakce. Belgium, Ukraine, Hungary and Poland at the first split time. They are all very, very close each other. Let's see how the final will go. 7-8 both for the medals. Very, very strong battles. Maybe now is Hungary in lane 4, Poland lane 5. Italy also trying to come out from the group. Then Belgium and also Ukrainian in lane 9, Hungary, Poland, Italy maybe at the moment. The Hungarian for the gold, Poland, Italy or Ukrainian for the bronze medal. Beautiful race. And Peter Samu and Zala Nidvegi are the new world champions for K2 junior men 500 meters. Let's see the photo finish with the replay with Hungarian, then Poland for sure. And for the third place, maybe Ukraine for the bronze medal.
We have the Canadian team, the winner of the world champion.
Yes, of course. So go.
Yes, your impression about.
Sorry.
How you feel?
Very tired. Honestly, unexpected.
Yeah, it was kind of.
I was going into like, oh, it's okay, we'll try our best.
Okay,
But
you did your best.
Yeah.
You did your best. Anyway, you enjoy the venue, you enjoy the course.
Yeah.
Okay, I hope you will be back. Okay. Congratulations again.
Thank you.
And here we are. Yeah, the interview with the Canadian girls, winners of the C4 junior women. And yeah, the